What's up world, I'm Nazim Saliji, and today I decided to start a new series, and it's going to be called Today's Cop. So I'm getting a lot of shoes from Finish Line, and sometimes I flip them really quick, and I know there's an opportunity for content when I get a single pair of sneakers. So every time I cop from Finish Line, I'm going to just make a video about it. From the outside looking in, you guys probably think that all this money that I'm making or have is from reselling sneakers. It's actually not. I've worked my tail off to get to where I am, and all the money that I've made is from a separate job that I've worked, and I've invested all that money into mystery boxes and buying single pairs of sneakers. And sometimes I just break even on sneakers and I just get the credit card points, and once in a while I'll make some profit on some Yeezys. Sometimes I'll make some money off of Jordans too, but not a whole lot. So I just want to tell you guys a little bit of truth about my experience. It's not all rainbows and butterflies. It's actually really hard because you got to pick up the shoes, you got to list them, and you got to run them to UPS, and you got to pay the gas to go back and forth, and sometimes literally you're not making anything. So the reselling thing is not for everybody. It's definitely something that you really have to enjoy doing to actually do it. If you don't enjoy sneakers, if you don't actually have a passion for sneakers and you're just in it for the money, you're probably not going to enjoy doing it. So for me, I do enjoy doing it. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I don't, but for me it's fun, and I can create content, and I'm not making any money off of YouTube right now. So literally everything that I've put into this channel is from my personal earnings from working at a different job. Anyway, I'm just gonna get into that one pair of sneakers that I got. I have 4 boxes here, but I end up copying four pairs, and it was a drop on sneakers today and they sold out, but I ended up winning 4 raffles on Finish Line, and I ended up winning 2 pairs in my name, a pair in my wife's name, and then a pair in my brother's name. And they're all the same sneakers, so there's no sense in me unboxing them all. But here's the box. And get this open for you guys. It's the Jordan 5 top 3. So what they do with this shoe is they take the top 3 colorways in this shoe, and it's the grape, the fire red, and the metallic. So there's the metallic shark teeth, the fire red right here on the bottom, and the grape tongue right here. There's Nike Air on the back as well. On the insole inside, it's also Nike Air branding, so that's really nice. But you guys have seen Jordan 5s before. I just want to do a quick unboxing and kind of tell you guys my truth about it. So honestly, with these 4 pairs, I paid a total of, let's see here, $600 on one receipt and $163 on another receipt. So that's like $763 for 4 pairs. And after putting them, listing them on GOAT and calculating the profit, and after seller fees and everything, I literally will probably only make 20 or 30 bucks. So running back and forth, listing and actually putting the work in and doing this, it's really not that profitable, to be honest. The only way you can be profitable is by getting the really hype sneakers that drop on Sneakers app, or some Jordan 1s really that drop on Finish Line raffles. And if you sit on them, sometimes you can make a little bit, like 50 or a little more. But honestly, there isn't a ton of money to be made. It's meticulous. You have to make whatever you can make off each pair, whether it's 20 or 10 or 30, or sometimes if you break even, you get the credit card points, and then after you accumulate some credit card points, you can put the points towards paying down your credit card balance, and I've done that before. So just a quick, I guess it's just my truth to you guys that all this money that I'm flashing and everything that I've done so far is not from reselling shoes whatsoever. The money I've made from shoes is like lunch money, honestly. And I've literally invested all my personal earnings from working a separate job to start this YouTube channel. So if you guys are new, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, because I'm really gonna pump out some more videos. I want to do this daily. I want to do, every time I cop a single pair of sneakers, I want to do a video and show you guys what I got. And I'm also going to do mystery boxes, because that's really something I really enjoy doing. I'm going to try to sell a ton of my stock so I can get another mystery box. But until I sell some more stock, I probably won't get some more mystery boxes. So this is all I can do for you for right now. But anyway, if you guys are watching, thank you so much. Consider subscribing, consider hitting that like button, because it's gonna just help me grow, and I'd really appreciate it, especially after working my tail off and trying to get this YouTube thing going. So anyway, that's the video, you guys. Here's the top 3 Jordan 5 one more time, and yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.